Hi folks, I'm Ansār Idrīsi. I'm India's leading English growth hacker. Today I'm going to talk about footwear in English. Now footwear are what? People are literally confused what is this and what is that. I'll be sharing with you some good pictures with some good vocabulary words as well over here about footwear. Now people generally they say shoes to all the kinds of shoes, but generally it is what? We have different names for them. For example, these are Oxfords. We call them Oxfords. Shoes, normally people call it, but we call it Oxfords especially. Now, these are loafers. Loafers. Next one, these are trainers. People call it generally sport shoes. We can call them trainers. These are normal formal shoes are there. These are formal shoes. We can call them formal or executive shoes we can say. Or we can say office shoes. People call it generally formal shoes, office shoes, executive shoes. Next one, these are flip-flops. People call it sleeper, wrong word. Sorry to say this, actually sleeper is not the correct word according to the dictionary, but flip-flops we can call them. So these are what? Flip-flops, generally we use it. Next one, these are sandals. Apart from this one, we know other things too. So we'll be sharing with you in upcoming videos. If you like it, just share with your friends, subscribe our channel.